inverter, 2000 watt inverter, hydraulic system, 6-point auto leveling system, big baggage doors through and through. You have copper fittings in there for your water lines. Seamless windows, which are nice. You got 2 awnings on this unit. Seamless windows protects your seals. Seals are behind the glass. It's very nice. Of course, you got your screen defender for your pets. Nice long rail that extends all the way out. You got Cooper tires. And the beauty of this. It's really nice. You comfortably seat 6 here in the seating arrangement, the living room, and then you have your desk area here. These belong at the bar in the kitchen, and then there's some there that belong here for the desk. You also have day and night shades, and that's nice. Fireplace in the living room, and you have a fireplace in the bedroom as well. But love the high ceilings. You have 3 AC units on this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Tons of counter space. Now that is a very nice kitchen. And the view that you have from the outside. It's a really nice window. Lighting underneath. Same thing. Really nice sized pantry. With some drawers in it. That's nice. I didn't expect to see drawers. So again, there's your bar. No vents on the floor itself. They're all on the side walls. And a washer and dryer in your own laundry room. Tons of storage. Laundry room, mud room. Half bath or half toilet, half bath. King size mattress. Orange style doors. Fireplace. 200 watt inverter is currently running that fireplace, which is nice. And again, turning back around so you can see from the opposite side. Night lights also double as reading lights. They change color to traditional soft white. TV, lift-vator, vanity. Beautiful, beautiful. 1-piece shower, which is nice. Water, of course, coming from every angle. Solid surface countertops everywhere. And look at your storage. This is truly a walk-in closet. Storage on both sides. Hanging rods. Cubbies in there. 6 drawers. 2 deep ones. And the same smaller ones on the opposite side. That works. And you have your mirror there on the door. So, guys, if you like it, this is the 2025 $395 front bath, front bath Ahara by East to West. Very open floor plan, beautiful in every way. So, if you like it, you can reach out to me directly. My number is 252-773-1833. My name is Lewis, and I'm with Riverside Camping Center in New Bern, North Carolina. So, thank you. If you have any questions, you can call that number. You can text We are a food service dealership. So if you have any service related issues, you can contact us as well. The number is 252-634-2267. Thanks guys, and I hope you guys have a blessed day.